Hello and welcome. My name is Jacob from the DYCD Connect Help Center. Today we'll be going over Discover DYCD and how to search and apply for DYCD programs. This educational material is targeted to all users who discover DYCD. Let's begin. In today's tutorial, we will first go through how to find the exact DYCD programs we're looking for, how to create a Discover DYCD account, how to add applicants to our dashboard, and finally, how to complete and submit a full application. Now, before we go on to the finer details of Discover DYCD, let's first gain an understanding of what exactly it is. Discover DYCD is a public website that allows us to find DYCD programs throughout New York City and complete online applications to participate in them. While Discover DYCD has been a usable tool for a while, due to the unique nature of the 2021 financial year, DYCD hopes to utilize this system to reduce in-person contact while applying for programs. Completing one online application on Discover DYCD can enable you to apply to multiple DYCD programs. However, you do not need to create an account in order to do so, only when you wish to apply to them. In order to begin taking a look at the different programs being offered by DYCD, we will need to go to the Discover DYCD homepage. While we can log in if we already have an account, as was just stated, we can search for programs without one. We can access the Programs page by clicking the Search Programs button, which is located at the top of every Discover DYCD page. Once we arrive on the page, we'll soon find we have a variety of different ways we can begin searching for programs. The first way we can search for a program is via a keyword search. We simply need to input a key phrase, such as the name of the program site, and a drop-down menu with all possible options that include the phrase we inputted will appear. Once we find the correct value, we'll select it and then finally hit the little magnifying glass to complete the search. The second way we can search for a program is by service type. From the 8 boxes to choose from, we can either select just one or multiples, depending on if we're looking for a variety of service types. Once we select all the necessary service types, we simply need to click on Search and the corresponding programs will appear. Finally, the last way we can search for a program is via location, and there are a few ways we can go about doing that. We can use the map view to physically see where each program site is located, as well as find programs around our current location up to a certain number of miles. We can also use our zip code or the borough/neighborhood we live in if we believe that will get us better results. This will prompt the map to change as we've inputted and display the filtered sites. We can also use the advanced search function if we want to expand our searching capabilities to include things like grade range and age. Please be aware, if you have any questions or concerns regarding the program or your application, all the site's contact information can be found while searching. After we've located the program or programs we want to apply to, we will first have to create or sign into a Discover DYCD account. Let's move on to the sign-in page, and we will be met with a few options of how to sign in. If we do not already have a Discover DYCD account, we can either log in via one of these organizations and link that account with our new Discover DYCD account, or we can go here and click Create Account. Once on the new page, we can begin inputting our required information. After that's complete and we create our account, we will need to return to the Discover DYCD page and sign in using our new information. Do note, when we log in for the first time, we will be asked to confirm our email. Once we've done so, our account is now ready for use and we can begin directly working on the site. Now that we have our account, we need to first start with adding an applicant to our dashboard. We cannot apply to any DYCD programs until we do so. To add an applicant, we simply need to click on Dashboard and then a new page will appear with a section titled Your Applicants, as well as a button to add a new one. Once we've inputted all the required information about our applicant, we'll hit the Create Applicant button and then a new pop-up will appear. It will ask us if we want to begin searching for programs for this applicant. We can choose to do so, or we can return to the applicant page if we want to add others. Now that we've added our applicant and located the program or programs we want to apply to, we can now begin completing our application. First, we need to start by adding the programs to our dashboard by clicking the Add to List button. Then we need to select our applicant. Do be aware, if the applicant already has an application in process, it will be listed here. Once all are selected, we should click Apply, and then our application will be created and the site will appear on our dashboard. Back on the dashboard, we can begin completing our newly created application by clicking the Apply button underneath the application in question. We should then go on to complete the 6 pages of data fields. Once we confirm everything, we should hit Submit at the bottom of the screen. We will receive an email once the system confirms the application submission. After we've submitted an application, we should go back to our dashboard and confirm its status. We can also find additional information based on the application status, including the reasons as to why an application has been rejected, and to see the ability to revoke a pending application if we no longer wish to apply to this program. For more information, call DYCD Youth Connect at either 1-800-246-4646 or 1-646-343-6800. Once again, for more information, call DYCD Youth Connect at either 1-800-246-4646 or 1-646-343-6800. And that wraps up our tutorial today on Discover DYCD. Thank you for joining us. Have a great day.